welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. Anybody who is new to my channel, thank you all for clicking on this video. And before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So jumping right into the video, I'm going to show you guys this little straightening system that I'm using on my hair today. Hopefully my hair doesn't fall out, but if it does, then I'll just start all over. So for those who are natural and you want a solution because you want your hair to be straight and you want it to stay straight without having to flat iron it every day, there might be a solution, maybe. So I've tried one of these before. I actually loved it, but I don't know, I'm just trying a different one. Why? I don't know, I'm just trying another one. I like to try stuff. So what I'm using is this box here. This is actually for kids. This is the African Pride DreamWorks Kids Detangle Miracle. It's like the reversible straightening thing. So when you wash your hair, it'll go back to your natural texture. When you blow dry it, it can blow dry flat iron. This is what you're gonna get, and it's supposed to stay straight for between, I think it said 6, okay, there we go, up to 6 weeks of straight styles. And then if you want your hair back curly, all you have to do is wash your hair and it'll go back to your natural texture. So I've already put this on. I'm gonna show you the steps on the back how this goes. You wash it, you condition it, you have to let it stay in there for 20 minutes, and then you blow dry and you flat iron. So I've already done both step 1 and step 2, and under here my hair is twisted because I had to go pick up my daughter from school, so I had to cover my head up. In the box, it comes with this little manual. It comes with step 1, which is the shampoo. It comes with the step 2. It's just like this, but it's the conditioner, same bottle, but it says step 2 on it. It also comes with this maintenance pack here for when you wash and condition your hair in between to keep it straight for the full length of the 6 weeks. So I actually use this in my daughter's hair, but her hair is braided right now, so you can't see the results of it. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair and flat iron it and let y'all see what it looks like, and then I'll come back and I'll give you an updated review on how I feel like it worked, if it dried my hair out, if my hair broke or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and blow dry and then flat iron, and you guys will be able to see how straight it makes my hair. Alright, so starting out, my hair is in 4 twists, and I'm just going to go ahead and take them out and stretch it a tad bit. Then I'm just going to go through and part, and I'm going to blow dry straight. So half of it is done, and we're going to move on to the back half, and it's time for a water break because this is so tiring. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to flat iron my hair now that everything is blow dried, and any flat iron that you have will do. Don't put it on the highest setting, and I must warn you guys that this smoke will choke you to death. You will literally see me choking because the chemicals from this product, I don't know what it is about it, but it really like chokes you really bad. It's like not regular smoke, so just be aware of that. If you have a mask, wear it when you're doing this because it does smoke a lot. So this is what we're looking like so far. Almost finished, and I mean it's working pretty good so far. Alrighty, so I wore my hair like this straight for about 3 weeks just to give you my feedback on it now. If it is humid outside, if it rains, if you are in any moisture, your hair literally just goes back to, not immediately, but it does frizz out just like it normally would. It does stay pretty straight long. I'm gonna say like maybe a week. I didn't flat iron my hair. It didn't stay as straight as it is in the picture, but it did stay pretty straight. I mean, it did get a tad bit frizzy from like the humidity. I live in Florida, so that is something to consider. It doesn't keep it bone straight. I'm just gonna put it that way. As far as the 6 to 8 week claim, it may last in your hair for 6 to 8 weeks, but you're definitely gonna have to flat iron your hair at least once or twice a week. I wrap my hair just like I'm doing right now at night when I use this system, and it worked pretty well. I probably would try other straightening systems just to see how they work, but I mean, it straightens pretty great, as you can tell. The results for me were pretty good. They weren't amazing, but they were pretty good. But considering where I live, it held up well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I would recommend it for children to detangle and soften their hair. If you have children with natural hair and it's hard to do, that's what I use it for my daughter's hair, and it works pretty well. So thank you all for watching. If you want more reviews on products, hair products, wigs, whatever it is, let me know what it is. Leave me a comment down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click your bell notification so that you don't miss out on any videos when I upload. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Bye.